Greetings guys. I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to 2x, 3x or 10x your capital, taking advantage of crypto exchanges when they want to list a coin or a token. Just gonna be quick. I'll make it snappy. The one of the exchanges that do rapid listing or weekly at least list a token, one or two tokens every week is MEX. So how do you know follow them? How do you know what to do? You follow them up on Twitter. Yes, this is MEX Global. Follow them on Twitter and make sure to put on your notification bell, and then follow them up. So you go scroll through their news, their tweets. So you scroll through their tweets, reading their tweets. There is one that I saw here initially. Said it's Zenny. Said Zenny/USDT will list as a spot trading pair in the innovation zone at 10 o'clock on November 25th UTC. 10 November 25th. So how do you do it? You click, you know the details, you click on details. So said it will lift Edoverse Zenny on innovation zone. Now look at the details here. Okay, you can see said the supply is 10 billion. Wow. Then is on the Ethereum blockchain. Or I only do projects on the uh, on the Binance blockchain or other blockchains because of low gas. You know the problem of Ethereum blockchain and their gas fees. But yeah, this is a good indication that it will x at least 2x or more. Don't be greedy. You just set your um your your take profit at 2x, 3x, or yeah, just like that. So what do you do? I'm just going to show you something, a quick um simple way of doing things here. You click on it here. So when you click, you see the contract address here. This is the contract address. This is the contract address. What do? You copy the contract address. Copy it. Then you go to, remember you want to buy this token before it pumps on the exchange. So what do? You go to Trust Wallet. You go to Trust Wallet. Then you first of all import the token here. I'm gonna import it. Done. Okay, add custom token, Ethereum network. Okay, Zenny, done. Okay, look at it here, Zenny. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Uniswap. Okay, sorry, Uniswap should be here already. Well, if it was on the Binance Smart Chain, I will go to PancakeSwap. But since it's on the Ethereum blockchain, I will go to Uniswap. Okay, let me search for it. Oh, let me just scroll. Okay, Uniswap Exchange. Uniswap Exchange. Don't want to make this video long, so I think I'll cut it anytime soon and continue on the next video. But let me just show you. You select a token, you paste this. Okay, you see Zenny. You import. Yeah, I understand. Then you import. Now, if you have Ethereum here, you swap your Ethereum for Zenny. And once you've swapped your Ethereum for Zenny, the Zenny comes up here in as your balance. So what do? You send it through here to your exchange. Now in your exchange, they will tell you, oh, hold on. In your exchange, I have Mex here, yes. I don't know if I'm still logged in, but let me just go on. We'll do that in the second round of the video. In your exchange, I'm going back. In your exchange, they will tell you if deposits is activated when they said, okay, you can even follow them up on Discord to know the kind of community they are, how strong their community is. On Telegram, okay, this one is for Mex. Sorry. Okay, this one is for Mex. Okay, we're talking about the Edovas. You can follow them on Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and see their websites. This will give you an idea. Okay, see, deposit and withdrawals open on Mex. So once you've bought on Uniswap, you send it to Mex, and when you send it to Mex, you on the day of the listing, UTC means we are 1 hour ahead UTC. So 10 o'clock UTC means 11 o'clock Nigerian time. Yes. So once you send it to the exchange on the listing day, it will pump hard. So you set your take profits for maybe just 2x, 3x or so. So yes, this what will give you an idea of how much is going to pump is the 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 links, the Twitter, the Telegram, and the Discord, the white paper. You know how strong the project is and the community backing the project. This will give you an idea on how it will pump. Just know that whatever money you're putting in, your is money that you can afford to lose. So that's just it, guys. I hope I provided value to you guys with this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like the video. Thank you very much. I'll do a second part to this video with the Binance, maybe when I'm practicalizing it, so it can be easy. Thank you very much, guys.